Hey everybody, it's Christina, Maggie's sister. I am coming on here to share with you guys a little unboxing of my first shawl from Hermès, direct from the boutique as opposed to from a reseller. This was a gift from Maggie and I think it's absolutely stunning. So it came all wrapped up in this beautiful rectangular box. And look at this fabulous colorway. It says Hermès Paris here. This is like a kind of blue-black navy with a natural kind of gray background. And it's one of the Alice Shirley designs. I'm a huge fan of Alice Shirley. Here is the SKU for it. It's the Three Graces in Gris Chin Caban. But anyway, this is absolutely gorgeous. And the Three Graces, if you don't know, are the giraffes, the three giraffes. And so this print has 3 giraffes in 3 out of the 4 corners. And it also has great kind of graphic flora. As you can see here, this is kind of like a feather pattern. This is clearly leaves. It looks like this might be like bushes. I love this kind of lotus graphic floral on this side. And then you can see on this side, this is the reverse side actually. This is a little bit more kind of sharper, darker, but it's Alice Shirley. This was a release from, I believe, either spring of this year, 2021, or 2020. I'm not sure. But I just think it's gorgeous. Now, there's another design that's very similar to this that has a tiger on it, and it's called Tiger. And I had been kind of on the hunt for that, but that came out in 2015 or something like that. So obviously that's not available, but I love this colorway. It's so neutral and classic. I have a Kelly 28 in Cellier in this exact blue color, like almost blue-black color. So I can't wait to try it on with that. I'll show you some mod shots of it. But as a little gift, our SA also gave us a card set on how to knot or tie scarf, and then also a little perfume sample. And in this little container comes 2 little samples. One is the H24, sorry. And this is the men's fragrance, but it is absolutely spectacular. I think it really should be unisex. It's really fresh and bright. And then this is Un Jardin sur le Toit, which I believe is supposed to be like the garden fragrances at the main store on the rooftop garden at Faubourg. And so I have those 2 samples. I can't wait to use them. This shawl is just spectacular. It's a cashmere and silk shawl at 140 centimeters. And I can't believe it. It's absolutely stunning. This is the little fabric tag. It's 70% cashmere, 30% silk. And this tag was left on it. I'm going to take it off, obviously, before I wear it. But just wanted to come on and share this with you guys.